Welcome. Welcome to my channel Build with Ranaji. I, Anil Kumar Rana, welcoming you in this video, and we are going to discuss history of computers. This PPT is presented by Engineer Anil Kumar Rana. First of all, we are going to see what is a computer. So, a computer is an electronic machine that collects information, stores it, processes it according to user's instruction, and then returns the result. We can say a computer is a programmable electronic device that performs arithmetic and logical operation automatically using a set of instructions provided by the user. History of computers. Peoples used sticks, stones, and bones as accounting tools before computers were invented. More computing devices were produced as technology advanced and the human intellect improved over time. Let us look at a few of the early age computing devices which is used by mankind. Abacus. Abacus was invented by the Chinese around 4000 years ago. It's a wood rack with metal rods with beds attached to them. The abacus operator moves the bed according to certain guidelines to complete arithmetic computation. Napier's bones. John Napier devised Napier's bone, a manual operated calculating apparatus. For calculating this instrument used 9 separate ivory strips, bones marked with numerical to multiply and divide. It was also the first machine to calculate using the decimal point system. Pascaline. Pascaline was invented in 1642 by Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician and philosopher. It is thought to be the first mechanical and automated calculator. It was a wooden box with gears and wheels inside. Stepped reckoner or Leibniz wheel. In 1673, a German mathematician or philosopher named Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz improved on Pascal's invention to create this apparatus. It was a digital mechanical calculator known as the stepped reckoner because it used fluted drums instead of gears. Differential engine. In the early 1820th century, Charles Babbage created the differential engine. It was a mechanical computer that could do basic computation. It was a steam power calculating machine used to solve numerical tables such as logarithmic tables. Analytical engine. Charles Babbage created another calculating machine, the analytical engine. In 1830, it was a mechanical computer that took input from punch cards It was capable of solving any mathematical problems and storing data in an indefinite memory. Tabulating machine. An American statistician, Herman Hollerith, invented this machine in the year 1890. Tabulating machine was a punch card based mechanical tabulator. It could compute statics and record or sort data or information. Hollerith began manufacturing these machines in his company, which ultimately became International Business Machine (IBM) in 1924. Differential Analyzer. Whenever Bus introduced the first electrical computer, the Differential Analyzer, in 1930, this machine is made up of vacuum tubes that switch electrical impulses in order to do calculation. It was capable of performing 25 calculations in a matter of minutes. Mark 1. Howard Aiken planned to build a machine in 1937 that could conduct massive calculations using enormous numbers. The Mark I computer was constructed in 1944 as a collaboration between IBM and Howard. So, these are the most popular computing devices used in the history. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit like button. If you want to join our channel, please subscribe Build with Ranaji and share this channel with your friends. Comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you for watching this video.